In today's video, we are going to see how to use pre-recorded video interview platforms used by the French schools during their admission process. Hello everyone, this is Shruti Mistry and I am the Admission Process Manager at Edugo Abroad. Friends, nowadays pre-recorded video interviews are an increasingly common part of admission procedures undertaken by the French schools. We all are quite familiar with Skype interviews, right? But what is pre-recorded video interview? Friends, this is nothing but a one-way interview process. Basically, the institute will give you a link consisting a set of pre-recorded questions that would help the institute to know more about you, your future projections and your competency to pursue the particular course. What you have to do is you have to read the questions and record the answers. Once you have submitted your answers, the admission committee will review them and on the basis of how you have performed or answered, they will provide the admission decision. Almost all the French schools have gradually started using this sort of interviews, and though there are various pre-recording video interview platforms like Spark Hire, Telviv, Easy Recruit, Vidcruiter, Visual Talent, etc., the French schools such as Neoma Business School uses Easy Recruit video interview platform, IMT Business School uses Easy Recruit, EMLV Business School and ESLV Engineering School uses Easy Recruit. La Rochelle Business School uses Easy Recruit video interview platform and ESC Claremont and many other schools uses Visual Talent interview platform for the admission process. Friends, your platform का structure, working process, set of questions and pattern of questions is similar. The only difference is the time allotted to record the answers. Isn't this a quite creative, innovative and hassle-free way of selecting the prospective candidate? But friends, let me tell you, dealing with this platform is altogether a new experience for you and can be quite complicated sometimes. So let's quickly have a look how to record the interview through these platforms. For this, you have to first visit to your email ID where the institute have provided you the link to record your admission interview. Okay, so this link would look like this. Okay, so this is your link. Which your institute have provided you. Friends, अब मैं आपको बोलना चाहती हूँ कि आपके पास 3 दिन से 1 वीक तक का टाइम होगा ये इंटरव्यू रिकॉर्ड करके सबमिट करने के लिए. ओके, सो आपको पहले करना क्या है, आपको ये लिंक पे क्लिक करना है और ये लिंक पे आप जैसे क्लिक करोगे वैसे ही आपको ये लिंक दूसरे विंडो पे लेके जाएगी जहाँ पे पहले आपको अपना लास्ट नेम, अपना फर्स्ट नेम, अपना फोन नंबर और ईमेल आईडी एंटर करना है. आप जैसे ये सारी डिटेल्स एंटर कर देते हो, क्लिक ऑन अप्लाई विथ अ वीडियो. अब जैसे ही अप्लाई विथ अ वीडियो पे क्लिक करते हो तो वो आपके वीडियो इंटरव्यू प्लेटफॉर्म के होम पेज पे चला जाएगा जहाँ पे आपके वीडियो एप्लीकेशन फॉर XYZ स्कूल, आई मीन योर स्कूल, आपकी स्कूल का नाम लिखा होगा यहाँ पे. देन ये पूरा इंटरव्यू कितने टाइम का, आई मीन ड्यूरेशन क्या होगा आपके इंटरव्यू का वो यहाँ पे मेंशन होगा. उसके साथ साथ यहाँ पे 2 ऑप्शंस होंगे, ट्रेनिंग और स्टार्ट द इंटरव्यू. फ्रेंड्स, अब कोई भी इंटरव्यू के लिए आप रैंडमली कोई भी आंसर रिकॉर्ड करो इज नॉट अ की फॉर अ सक्सेसफुल इंटरव्यू. ओके, सो रेदर देन दैट आप एक चीज कर सकते हो, आप पहले ट्रेनिंग में जाके देख लो कि इंटरव्यू प्लेटफॉर्म कैसे वर्क करता है, आपको किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. प्रिपेयर द आंसर्स फॉर दैट क्वेश्चन एंड देन अपीयर फॉर द इंटरव्यू. ओके, सो हम पहले क्लिक करेंगे ट्रेनिंग पे. हम जैसे ही ट्रेनिंग पे क्लिक करते हैं वो हमें एक पेज पे लेके जाना जाएगा जहाँ पे आपको अपने इक्विपमेंट्स टेस्ट करने हैं. ओके, सो पहले वो कुछ ऐसे शो करेगा, देन आफ्टर अ मिनट वो यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन देगा स्टार्ट टेस्ट का. अब जैसे ही स्टार्ट टेस्ट पे क्लिक करोगे तो वो आपका जो भी पेज है वो यहाँ पे आपको 10 सेकेंड्स का टाइम देगा. आपको कुछ वहाँ पे बोलना है, आई मीन कुछ रिकॉर्ड करना है. सो आप यहाँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं बोल रही हूँ हाय दिस इज श्रुति मिस्त्री और 10 सेकेंड्स खत्म हो गए. जैसे ही 10 सेकेंड्स खत्म होते हैं वैसे ही वो पेज यहाँ पे प्ले करेगा जो भी आपने बोला हो, जस्ट इन ऑर्डर टू चेक इफ योर ऑडियो इज वर्किंग प्रॉपरली और नॉट. अब अपना डिवाइस यहाँ पे चेक कर लो, लाइक इफ इट इज वर्किंग प्रॉपरली क्लिक ऑन इट वर्क्स और वो आपको दूसरे पेज पे लेके चला जाएगा जहाँ पे आपको क्लिक करना है ऑन नेक्स्ट. अब जैसे ही नेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करोगे आपका ट्यूटोरियल सेशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. ओके, अब यहाँ पे कुछ बेसिक इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए गए हैं. जैसे आपको ये पूरा सेशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए आपके पास 3 क्वेश्चंस होंगे. हर एक क्वेश्चन को पढ़ने के लिए आपके पास टाइम होगा 15 सेकेंड्स का और वो आंसर रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए आपके पास टाइम है 32 मिनट्स का. सो हम पहले क्लिक करेंगे डिस्प्ले द क्वेश्चन पे. अब जैसे डिस्प्ले द क्वेश्चन पे क्लिक करोगे सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, दैट इज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन फ्यू वर्ड्स. और ऊपर देखो रिमेनिंग प्रिपरेशन टाइम 15 सेकेंड्स का है. 15 सेकेंड्स आपको ये क्वेश्चन रीड करके आंसर प्रिपेयर करना है. ओके, फिर जैसे यहाँ पे 15 सेकेंड्स खत्म हो जाएंगे, ये तुरंत दूसरा विंडो ओपन हो जाएगा जहाँ पे इट विल स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग योर आंसर। यहाँ पे आपका वीडियो शो होगा और आपको यहाँ पे टाइम दिखेगा, कितना टाइम आपके पास बचा हुआ है ये आंसर रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए। अब व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन फ्यू वर्ड्स, you can add in this question you can start with your first name, your education qualification, your experience if you have any, and your family background. Later you can add some more points about your personality, about your hobbies, about your co-curricular activities, and then you can end your answer. Friends, please note that this is not a Skype interview. यहाँ पे आप एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर दोगे उस पे से दूसरा क्वेश्चन आएगा, ऐसा नहीं है। यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी दिस प्लेटफॉर्म हैज अ प्री रिकॉर्डेड क्वेश्चंस और वो क्वेश्चंस आने ही है। आप भले ही एक ही क्वेश्चन में सब कुछ रिकॉर्ड कर लो लेकिन वो क्वेश्चंस आएंगे ही आएंगे। सो जितना यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन शो कर रहा है उतना ही आंसर दो। सो इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ में पहले जैसे मैंने आपको जैसे ऑलरेडी बोला हुआ है कि द इंटरव्यू प्लेटफॉर्म्स, ऑल द इंटरव्यू प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैव डिफरेंट टाइम ड्यूरेशन। सो विजुअल टैलेंट में आपको अभी दिख रहा है, ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपको अभी दिख रहा है 32 मिनट्स, और माइट भी पॉसिबल है कि और कोई प्लेटफॉर्म में आपको 1.5 मिनट दिए जाएंगे। सो फर्स्ट cover the 3 points, that is about your name, your education qualification and your experience, and then agar aapke paas time hai then you can proceed with your family background and other points. Okay, so after answering this click on next question और ये आपको सेकेंड क्वेश्चन पे लेके चला जाएगा। अगेन क्लिक ऑन डिस्प्ले द क्वेश्चन और सेकेंड क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, व्हाई डू यू विश टू जॉइन आवर कंपनी, प्रिपेयर द आंसर्स। ओके, and record your answer and click on next question. Then the third question, click on display the question, and the third question would be, what is the thing that you did are very proud of. So life में हमने कभी ना कभी कुछ तो ऐसा किया होगा, we are very proud of ourselves, like you have done something in your co-curricular activities or in your educational journey, you have earned some good grades, then you can mention all the things over here and record your answer and click on finish. अब जैसे ही फिनिश पे क्लिक करते हो तो आपको यहाँ पे ये प्लेटफॉर्म पूछेगा टू स्टार्ट योर इंटरव्यू। ओके, बी प्रिपेयर्ड टू रिकॉर्ड योर इंटरव्यू। अब ये इंटरव्यू रिकॉर्ड करने से पहले आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर विथ यू सम टिप्स विच वुड हेल्प यू टू सक्सेसफुली रिकॉर्ड योर इंटरव्यू। Like the first thing is, find a quiet and well-lit place free from possible interruption and background noises. Friends, your background should always be free from any clutter. Secondly, ensure your internet connection is stable. Third, ensure your audio device is working properly. हमने पहले डेमो सेशन में देख लिया है कि हाउ टू चेक योर ऑडियो डिवाइस, राइट? सो चेक इट एंड इंश्योर दैट योर ऑडियो डिवाइस इज वर्किंग प्रॉपरली. Then fourth, test your webcam and keep it at eye level. Fifth, check your body language. Friends, always try to convey optimism with your body language. Maintain eye contact with the camera, as people have a tendency to look at a person who is actually looking at them. And always avoid fidgeting or letting your gaze drift away from the device. And the sixth and the most important point is, do not use the mobile phone while recording your interview. Because अगर आपने मोबाइल फोन से इंटरव्यू रिकॉर्ड करने का ट्राई किया और मीनवाइल इफ यू रिसीव एनी कॉल, तो इंटरव्यू वहीं पे डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा और वहीं पे एंड हो जाएगा। उससे अच्छा ऑलवेज रिकॉर्ड योर इंटरव्यू यूजिंग योर कंप्यूटर, योर लैपटॉप. Okay, so these are the tips which you have to consider while recording your interview. Now let's quickly move how to record your interview. Click on start the interview और यहाँ पे वो आपसे authorization की permission मांगेगा. Click on I authorize. Okay, और click on start the interview. Now आपको यहाँ पे एक small description दिया है about your interview. See, there will be 6 video questions and 2 sets of written questions. और आपका कंप्लीट इंटरव्यू विल बी ऑफ 19 मिनट्स. क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट. देन क्लिक ऑन डिस्प्ले. योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विल बी शोन. क्लिक ऑन डिस्प्ले द क्वेश्चन एंड योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, कैन यू प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योर सेल्फ. वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दिस, राइट? सो लेट्स क्विकली मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ऑन सेकेंड क्वेश्चन क्लिक ऑन डिस्प्ले द क्वेश्चन and your second question is, how do you get to know about XYZ school and the programs and why are you applying? Okay, so friends, when you have decided to apply for or study a particular course from a foreign institute, तो आपने उसके बारे में research किया होगा. You might have heard about this school from either your friends or through your research on internet, or you might have heard about this school from your colleague, your professor, okay, or your relatives, or so you can mention this over here. And about the program and why you're applying for this, then you can say that for example, if you have done your bachelor's in mechanical and you are going for a supply chain management course, then mention your motivations. Why have you selected purchasing and supply chain management course, and how will that help you in your future? So prepare the points and answer it accordingly. Once you have recorded your answer, click on next question. Third question, click on display the question, and the third question is, why do you hope to get out of the program and why do you think you'll be successful in completing it? So friends, you can say that in order, you can say that you have selected this course because you have visited the university website and you have went through the course curriculum and you find that this course perfectly matches your caliber. And you can say that while studying this course, you will have the possibility of earning a double degree. Moreover, this with the help of this course, you will be able to gain education from a country which offers a very safe, peaceful environment. You will get a chance to learn French language, which is the third most commercial language, and you will be also be able to discover a new environment. You can add this points to your answer. You can prepare it accordingly and just record your answer and click on next question. And the fourth question, here comes the fourth question. Click on display the question, and our fourth question is, what is your strength and weakness? Just list out your strength, and in weakness, try to answer that optimistically. Okay, once you have recorded your answer, click on next question. And here comes the fifth question, which is, what lesson have you learned from any previous work experience, challenges, or failure? So we all learn from our failures, or we all have experienced something which have taught us or which have motivated us to be a person what we are. So mention that incident and answer this optimistically. Okay, and click on, once you are done with your answer, click on next question. Now here comes the last question. Click on display the question, and the last question is, where do you see yourself work in 5 years? Okay, for this question, friends, you can say that after completing this course, if you are looking for being an entrepreneur, then you can say that I want to open my own business, and I'll see my business advancing in this way. Or else, if you are going to join your family business, then you can say that I'm going to join my family business, and by learning this course and in this particular way, I can take my family business internationally. And if you are going to work in a multinational company, then you can say that you want to work at a particular position in this multinational companies. You can answer like this, and once you are finished with recording your answer, click on finish. Okay, so your video questions are completed. Here comes your written questions. So at first there will be a set of 3 questions. Okay, click on start. Your first question is, what is your proficiency level of English? Second is, what is your proficiency level of French, and how have you heard about the program? Okay friends, so आपको यहाँ पे टिक करना है आपके answers. See, I have mentioned your proficiency level of English is beginner, your proficiency level of French is intermediate, and how have you heard about the program? I have ticked on multiple options, so you can answer it accordingly, and once you are done, click on answer. Then again there would be a set of 4 questions. Click on start. So the set of questions are, first is, how do you plan to finance your studies and stay? Second is, what is your previous GPA? Third is, what is the exact source through which you have heard about this school? And fourth is, do you have any question about our school or program? Okay, so friends, I have answered that my father is in sound position to finance my education during my stay in France, so he is going to sponsor my education. Okay, you can add how you are going to finance your study over here, and move to the next question. Second is, what is your previous GPA? So many institutes provide percentage and not the GPA. So as you know, there is no time barrier over here, there is no time limit, so you can always calculate your percentage to GPA. I'll give you a formula, that is, multiply your percentage with 100 and divide it by 4, and you'll get your GPA. Okay, calculate it, mention it over here, and move to the next question. And one more thing, if your university provides your score in CGPA, then you can always convert your CGPA into percentage. That is, multiply your CGPA into 99.5, and you will get your percentage. Okay, and from percentage you can convert it into GPA and mention it over here. So once it's done, move to the next question, which is what is the exit source through which you have heard about the school. I have mentioned I have learned about the school through my research on internet. You can mention the website from which you have learned about the school, or else about if you have learned about the school from your friends or relatives, you can mention it over here and move to the next question. That is, do you have any question about our school or program? If you have, you can mention. If no, then quickly move further. It will take you to the next page. That is, you are almost done. Please enter the information below. Over here, you have to mention your name, your surname, your email ID, and your contact number. And if you have any comment or feedback, then you can mention it over here. If not, then click on next. Once you click on next, this page would show a message that thank you very much for your participation, and immediately one message will pop up that is congratulations, your interview is completed and your answer have been recorded. So this means you have successfully completed your interview, and now the admission committee will review your answers and will provide you the admission decision. So this is how you can record your interview through the pre-recorded video interview platform. If you have any question, do mention it in the comment section below and we will get back to you immediately. Till then, have a good day.